Ingalosi and Crazy. Boys and girls, it is such an honor to be here with each and every one of you here today. My name is Martin, and working with the Dolphins, we have Harry. Next to Harry, we have Racine. On the far side of the window, we have Zikwana. What's that, boys? Flotsam and Jetsam. Oh yes, you're right, they're supposed to be here, but I haven't seen them anywhere yet. Does anyone know where they are?
Yeah! Sorry buddy, we got sidetracked. We've got a lot of friends. You've got to check this out. I can't believe it. Who knew Daywood would be so much fun?
So sensitive they invented this though, eh?
But we eco heroes can save them. We'll see you just now, buddy.
Alright, Flotsam and Jetsam, I'll hurry up and get here as soon as possible. In the meanwhile, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome our audience member who won the dancing competition. We'd really like to get to know you, and so would three handsome boys. So can you please start off by telling us your name? Renata, well, it's a pleasure to meet you. Renata, over here we have Ingalosi and he's waving at us too. Ingalosi here, we'd like to know how old you are. 42 years old. Well, he's a lot younger than you. Ingalosi here is 12 years old. Now, man, it is time to talk some details. So can you please tell everyone how tall you are and how much you weigh?
I'm 1.7 and I'm very
Alright, let's take a look at the details. So you are 1.7 meters in length and you weigh 60 kilograms. Well, Indolose is a lot larger. He's 3.1 meters in length and he weighs 250 kilograms. And man, if there was one word to best describe your personality or character, what would that be? Oh, so you're the energetic type. Well, Indolose area is known as a mischievous young man. Thank you, Indolose. Well, it seems like these boys are having lots of fun in this game of comparison, so I think we should just continue. So can you please show everyone in the audience where your belly button is? Oh, there we go. Over to my co-host, Leandra, at the window.
Hello everyone. So Connor is now going to show us where Queezy's belly button is. So let us have a look. Thank you very much. Back to you, Martin.
Now it's time to compare tongues. So Renata, can you please show everyone what your tongue looks like? Looks like you're hiding it over there. Well, over to you, Leandra.
Now let's take a look at the boys' very cool tongue. Remember, dolphins are mammals, so when they're youngsters, they use their tongues to assist them in sucking water underwater. Let us have a look at their tongues. Very cool, boys. Back to you, Martin.
The best for last. Now it's time to compare blowholes. But relax, the dolphin's blowhole is its nose. So Renata, at the count of 3, I want you to exhale as loud and hard as you possibly can so that everyone in the audience can hear you. Are you ready? Well, listen close, everyone. 1, 2, 3. Was that your best, Renata? I heard nothing at all. Did you hear anything, Leandra?
Unfortunately not, Martin. Let us take a listen to what Kelpie can do. Wow, that's very impressive, Kelpie. As you can hear, dolphins have incredibly powerful lungs, and they use much more of their lung capacity than you and I. They can also make a variety of very interesting sounds through their blowholes.
That is absolutely correct, Leandra. And speaking of which, these 3 handsome boys are going to come over here and sing through their nose as well. So Renata, do you think you can sing through your nose well? I don't think I want to hear that anyway. We'd rather prefer you conduct these boys in song. Wow, Renata, I'm very surprised. You make a fantastic conductor. Everyone, I think she deserves a reward. So you can tilt her slightly backwards just so that we can give you a fish. We're just kidding. That is for the boys over here. Ladies and gentlemen, please give Renata over here a huge round of applause. I really wonder what's holding up Flotsam and Jetsam.
Dolphins, everyone, this is so sad. We've got to share it with you. We were on our way when we heard about a plastic incident.
A plastic incident?
Yeah, can you believe it? People don't recycle their plastic bottles.
Oh no, guys.
Did you know that SeaWorld had found turtles on the beach dead because they ate plastic?
That is so sad, hey?
Lucky these guys are safe.
Well, I have an idea. These 3 handsome boys know exactly what eco-heroes do, so take it away, boys. Wow, you are such superheroes, boys. We're all doing it, everyone. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. And together we can all make a difference to save the beautiful ocean. And We all have the power to heal our beautiful planet, and today our lucky volunteer Renata has the opportunity to meet one of these precious souls. It's time to share some magic with you.
There is no greater honor than becoming a close friend to an animal. Getting to know an ocean creature is a huge privilege, so it is with enormous gratitude that we share this with all of you here today.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we just shared this very special bond with you between humans and animals. And I'm sure volunteer Renata had the experience of her lifetime. It's a real pleasure with her forever. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please put your hands together once again for the three very handsome boys of the Shark Field. Let everyone is Selfie, Ingaloti, and Crazy.